me. We're to be married when he gets back from sea. Oh, I love him dearly, and I know that he...
Mrs. Cosgrove!
Don't frighten me like that.
Look what I found!
Look what you've made me do. Lord Almighty, how do you house train a dragon?